My thirst for matariki knowledge was briefly overtaken by my actual thirst.
Nice. My fear of the dark was briefly overtaken by my thirst for adventure.
Nice.
Whoa, what was that?
I thought it was a cool moment between cool friends connecting to cool nature.
There's something in the water.
Yeah, water.
No. Taniwha?
They do like deep pools and rivers.
They're evil predators who want to kidnap you. Kidnap me.
Nah, they're kaitiaki, guardians of the awa.
This river needs protecting from taniwha, not by them.
Missed me.
Kia ora, ko Piri Weepu ahau.
Sorry, Piri Weepu. I was just trying not to be catnapped by an evil taniwha.
Neru and I were enjoying some fresh water when she thought she saw a taniwha.
It had horny teeth, a raspy tongue, and an overall slippery vibe.
I think he saw a korokoro.
Korokoro.
Some people call them lamprey or vampire fish.
Vampire fish?
They're not taniwha, but they are delicious.
Tell me more, Piri Weepu.
Korokoro can grow as big as your arm. Or in your cases, as big as your wing or your leg.
Wow.
I am uneased by that fact.
If you look up at the stars of Matariki, you can see the Waitī star.
Waitī.
When Waitī appears in the morning sky in the wintertime, the korokoro leave the salt water of the ocean and migrate up the freshwater streams to spawn. The star connects us to the freshwater and all the creatures who live in the rivers, lakes and streams, including taniwha.
Fresh water sustains us, and we should care for it, right? Be kaitiaki. Guardians.
Even if it does hold scary monsters.
Hi, would you like me to tell you a story?
Would we?
Would you?
Yes, we would.
Once upon a time, tiny little fish lived under some river rocks. One day, they swam away from the shelter of the rocks.
Well, that wasn't very smart.
Shh, Piri Weepu is telling a story.
And they were caught up in a fisherman's net. Then Tane took them up into the sky and turned them into stars.
Oh.
The end.
Wow. I like the bit where they turned into whetū.
Samesies!
Do you feel a little less scared now, Ngeru?
I wasn't scared of taniwha.
Excuse me, did somebody say taniwha?
Taniwha!
Yes, I'm a taniwha, but I'm not the kidnappy kind. I'm the kaitiaki kind.
Oh, cool.
Thank you. People can be a little judgy, you know? Negative stereotypes have been quite damaging to the taniwha community.
Based on facts.
I was going to warn you about a current in the river, but, you know, if you don't want my help.
We do. Thanks for the heads up, Eho. He tohu te ra o te manaaki.
E hoa? So we're like friends now?
Yup.
Wow. I never had friends to warn about impending danger before.
Would you like to come to our matariki party?
Bro, are you serious?
Alright. Right, Neru.
Sure. Any guardian of the river is a friend of ours.
You too, Piri?
Yeah, love to.
What time should I get there? Is there a dress code? Can I bring anything? Man, matariki rules.
Here are some korokoro for your manuhiri.
Tēnā koe, Piri Weepu. I'm sure our guests will love them.
Be careful of the korokoro, Ngeru. They like to bite.